Welcome to LionTech. We don't just build technology, we empower businesses like yours to lead the digital future with bold, transformative, and roaring solutions. In a world racing forward every second, technology isn't just an advantage, it's the backbone of success. That's where LionTech stands out. We deliver cutting-edge custom software, create stunning websites and apps, and empower your business with scalable cloud solutions, all designed to be powerful, reliable, and affordable. At LionTech, we don't do cookie-cutter solutions. We design tech that's as bold and unique as your vision. From startups to enterprises, we turn ideas into reality and problems into possibilities. We are scalable, reliable, and most importantly, as unstoppable as you are. The future of your business starts here. Let's build it together. At LionTech, innovation roars to life. Are you ready to transform your business? Contact us at 8399-4929 or email us at hello@liontech.sg for a consultation. Let's create something extraordinary together. See you soon.